आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज नाउ 24/7। ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।
कांग्रेस सांसद रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला ने कहा, आज का दिन भारतीय संसदीय प्रणाली और लोकतंत्र पर एक काला धब्बा है। पूरे देश ने 2 दिन पहले देखा कि कैसे राजाशाह में गृह मंत्री अमित शाह ने बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का अपमान किया। उन्होंने बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर की शिक्षाओं का मजाक उड़ाया। मकर द्वार पर कई दिनों से कांग्रेस पार्टी सहित सभी विपक्षी दल आज लोगों से जुड़े विभिन्न मुद्दों पर विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। पहली बार भाजपा के सांसद अव्यवस्था पैदा करने के आपराधिक इरादे से आए थे। उन्होंने भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे, जो विपक्ष के नेता भी हैं, को निशाना बनाकर हमला किया। जैसे ही वह आए, उन्हें भाजपा सांसदों ने धक्का दिया। वह अपना संतुलन खो बैठे। भाजपा की यह गुंडागर्दी निंदनीय है।
नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, today is a day of blot on Indian parliamentary system and a dark blot on democracy. The entire nation witnessed 2 days ago as to how in Rajya Sabha, Home Minister of India Shri Amit Shah brazenly insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar and his memory. He made fun. He was joking about the teaching as also by naming Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He did not even care to put the word suffix G with Ambedkar Ji. All of us, when we speak about Baba Saheb, we speak with reverence on account of his role as a constitution maker and as a champion of the rights of the downtrodden. We all say Baba Saheb Ambedkar Ji. But Amit Shah Ji was saying Ambedkar, Ambedkar, Ambedkar. Is that the way to address the memory of somebody who is a framer of the Constitution of India? For many days, at Makar Dwar, all opposition parties, including Congress Party, have been protesting on various issues relating to people. Today, for the first time, BJP MPs came with a criminal intent to create disorder and gundaism. And who was attacked? They again chose to target and attack President of the Indian National Congress, Shri Mallikarjun Khadge, who is also leader of opposition and the tallest Dalit leader in India. As he came in, he was pushed by BJP MPs. He lost his balance. No, everybody knows fully well that both his knees have been replaced. An injury was caused. Finally, Congress MPs brought a chair where he had to sit with some pain. This brazen assault and attack on Shri Mallikarjun Khadge is part of the same anti-Dalit, anti-poor, anti-SC, anti-OBC minority thinking that the BJP has. This anti-Dalit, anti-SC, ST, anti-OBC mentality that the BJP has was reflected in assault on Khadge ji. We condemn this. We have written to Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha to take into account this entire episode of assault on Khadge Sahab and take appropriate action against BJP MPs who for the first time also brought sticks. Placards were taken off and with sticks many Congress MPs were pushed. This is unacceptable. This gundaism of the BJP MPs should be condemned by everybody in unequivocal terms. Thank you.
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।